Today I will show you how to type star symbol using keyboard shortcut. So as we can see, it's appear on number 8. In most of key you will see this on number 8. So you have to press shift and this 8 number key together. So this is the shift and 8. To type this symbol, press together shift and 8, and in case it's not working, so check this is the turn on or turn off this numlock key in some keyboard. Maybe it's on, so you have to off to make this symbol. So this is the easy way to type this symbol. Press shift plus 8. Thanks for watching.